The average of 5 scores is 10. When a new score x is added, the average becomes 12. What is the value of x? Take note that when you're getting the average, you are getting the sum of the scores divided by how many scores you added. So in this example, we have 5, and then you get the average. So from this, we will know that the sum of the 5 numbers is actually 50. And then we add another number, x. So you have 50 plus x over 6 now equals 12. So to solve for x, we're gonna cross multiply. We will get 50 plus x equals 72. And then x is actually 22, letter C in our choices. 188. A bag contains different colors of marbles, in which 2 are yellow, 4 are red, and 4 are green. So there are a total of 10 marbles together. If 2 marbles are drawn from the bag at random, and the first was yellow, what is the probability that it will be green on the second draw? So there are how many greens in our bag? There are 4. Out of how many marbles? There are only 9, right? Because again, we already took a yellow marble. So 10 minus 1 is actually 9. So the probability will be 4 over 9. That is letter D in the choices.